Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I've came a long way to this abandoned school in the middle of nowhere. So this used to be a school in the 1950s, and in this video I'll be sharing with you guys about this school, the history behind the school, and also how my hike went and coming in. This is at least 4 hours away from any kind of civilizations. So it's literally in the middle of nowhere. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and in this video also I'm gonna be cooking a really good. I'm gonna be trying to make a really hard dish, which is usually really hard to make. And hope you guys watch the full video and enjoy the video. So let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do anything in the next video, and hope you guys enjoy the video. This used to be a part of a school in 1950s for nearby villages, but not long after that, all the people moved and it was abandoned. And I think this is the playground area of the school. And there's a slide, and there's quite a lot of space for the kids to move around. And now I'll go to check out the school. So there's a lot of bees here. I think there's a lot of flowers, and we're almost here. So this is the school, and it's fully abandoned now. There's probably nothing in here. Could be snakes. Other than that, I think there's nothing here, nothing left. This used to be a school in the 1950s. Now it's fully abandoned. You can see people grew some plants here. Other than that, it's nothing. It's fully empty. This school, I think there's another room here. I think this used to be a part of the window. Yeah, there's another room. Oh, I think the cows were in here. Other than that, it's just nothing. It's fully abandoned, just cement and leftover stuffs. So I think this is also a part of the school. I think this used to be a kitchen or something. I read somewhere online. I did a bit of research before coming here, and I think this used to be kitchen. I think, yeah, this is really run down. That's the back side of the school. And yeah, it's been a really long time of the school. It was built in 1950s, so it's been a really long time. Now it's fully abandoned. Nobody's here, even no like hikers here today. So this used to be a library. Let me cross this. This used to be a library of the school, and it's fully abandoned. There's nothing here. Let me enter it. This was the library of the school. This used to be a library in the 1950s, and it's still standing perfectly. So let's say bye to this place, cause I need to find a place to cook and rest for a bit before heading home. So let's say bye to this school and let's get on our way, cause we got a lot of ground to cover. Now I'm gonna try to split the wood, cause it just rained this morning and these woods are too big to start the fire. So I'll just split some of them so I can start a fire more easily. Then after that, I don't need to split all the pieces, cause after that I could probably do it. I just need to split a few. So I finally found a place and I got some firewood before it got super dark. Right now it's super dark. I can't even see anything right now. So I got some chicken, which I cut the meat off the bone to make it boneless. Then I got some pizza dough and onion and chili. And I got some mozzarella cheese, some tomato sauce, and to make it easier to start a fire, because it rained this morning. I got a flame gun, so it'll be easier to start a fire because I didn't bring a coal or anything. I couldn't carry a lot of weight since my foot still hurts from the injury, and I just got some firewood instead of coal, so I got this to make it easier for me. And I just got a stove and I'll be doing everything over firewood today, so hope it goes well and let's see how the pizza turns out. So enjoy the video. Before I start the cooking process, let me just show you around. It's fully dark, right? If I put my hand over the light, you can't even see anything. So I'm in the middle of nowhere and I hear monkeys, or like it's wild boar. I don't know what it is. It's just something really near me over there somewhere, and it shouldn't be a problem. We'll see how it goes. And I just got my stuff here and nothing, bro. It's so dark. You can hear insects or wild animals. That's it. So I just took out the onions, add some oil, and then put some chicken in it, and half cook that, and give it a bit of crisp. Mix it a bit, and just throw that in. I think that should be enough, and this is mixed seasoning. Everything is in it, salt including, and everything in it. So let's just give that a mix and put the lid on it and let it cook for a bit. I think we could throw a bit more seasoning in it. Let's throw a little bit more. That should be enough. Now just throw the lid on it and let it cook for a bit more. Now that it's been going for some more while, we could throw the chilies in this, and because we don't need to really cook a chilies a long time, we just need to put them for a while, and we'll just throw in with the chicken. will also give the chicken some good spicy flavor, which will balance out throughout the pizza, and it'll be really good. Let's give this a little mix. Yeah. I don't have a rolling pin or anything, so I'll have to use my hands to do this. Stretch it out. Side. Take the spoon and spread the sauce. Yeah, let's put some onions on it. Some onions. And this is fully caramelized onions. So I'll put half of them on this one and half on the other pizza. If I make it. If I don't make it, I'll just bring this stuff home. I won't waste it. Let's put some chicken on it and some chilies. Throw a scoop and we'll move it on. Because I've been hiking for a while, it's all stuck together. This is alright. Just sprinkle it out. Yeah. Cover the top of it up. Just over the fire. Like this, and perfect. Now it's been going on the firewood for a long time, so let's open this and see how it is. Oh, it's really good. Let me just check if it's cooked fully. Oh, it's just perfect. Just put the foil to a side. So the pizza is fully cooked now, and let's give this a try and see how it is. So the mini pizza is finally done. Let's give this a try. Let me show you guys the cheese pull. Well, I think I cut it up, that's why there is no, it's falling apart. It's perfectly cooked. Let me give this a try. It's so good. The cheese is good. The dough is perfectly done. Let me just make another one and throw that in. And this will be the perfect dinner. And it tastes so good. Amazing.